Welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're talking about how to re-enable your automation. Okay, so here I have a fade out that I'll show you. Turn on automation so you can see it, and I'm just gonna play it real quick so you can hear it. But a lot of times I'll be moving around within my project, changing parameters, doing stuff, forgetting that I already have some automation, and then all of a sudden that automation is grayed out. So if you'll see, I'll move this here, adjust the volume, and notice that that gray dot appears where the pink dot was before. And if I open up my automation again, you'll see that that line that's going down, that's fading it out, is also grayed out. So to re-enable your automation, all you have to do is right-click it and then hit re-enable automation. And you can do this with the automation key selected or not. So here's a right-click, re-enable automation, and there it is back. Let's make sure it works. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed, what we should talk about next.